Mabago ang kanyang ginawa. Unang-una, nung una ko sinabi sa kanya, i-appoint ko siya ng DLG, papasalamat siya. Sabi ko, huwag ka magpasalamat sa akin, ang hirap ng trabaho binigay ko sa'yo. Pero ay mo, aayusin ng pulis. Ang gulo-gulo ng pulis. Aayusin natin, pati yung mga retirement benefit, pension, everything that we have to do. But he was able to do it, and now we have a police force. It is certainly that we know in our hearts that he is working for the people. Beyond that, beyond the PNP, he has expanded the scope of the activities and of the duties of the DILG. Dati very similar, very simple lang, very limited lang ang involvement. And to join me in this news, a very happy occasion, the birthday of our good friend, Secretary Edgar Abalos. Happy birthday.
Cheers!